FocusTrack. FocusTrack includes spotlight, active track, and point of interest. Before enabling FocusTrack, make sure the flight environment is open and unobstructed with sufficient light. Tap the FocusTrack icon on the left side of the app. Tap the plus in the camera view, or drag a box to select the subject on the screen to enable FocusTrack. Spotlight. Spotlight is the default mode once entering FocusTrack. Press the shutter or record button on the remote controller or the screen to take photos or start recording video. Push the left stick up or down to change the aircraft altitude. Push the left stick left or right, or use the gimbal dial to alter the distance from the subject. Push the right stick up or down to adjust the subject position in the shooting frame. Push the right stick left or right to make the aircraft circle the subject. Active track. The aircraft follows 3 types of moving subjects: people, vehicles, and boats. Tap the FocusTrack icon on the left side of the app. Tap the plus to select the subject. Spotlight is enabled by default. Tap Active Track and the feature is enabled. Tap or slide the trace wheel. The aircraft will then fly the designated route. After reaching the designated position, the aircraft will track the subject in the corresponding direction. Tap the upper left corner on the trace wheel to access settings and adjust parameters as needed. You can also use the control sticks to adjust the aircraft altitude and distance from the subject. Press the shutter or record button on the remote controller or the screen to take photos or start recording video. Point of interest. After selecting the tracking subject, tap point of interest. Set the flight direction and speed. Aircraft will circle around the point of interest. The aircraft centers the camera on the subject and circles it at a constant altitude. Exiting FocusTrack. After enabling, tap the FocusTrack icon again to exit.